What's your name? Melina, where are you from? From Maryland. Welcome, Melina from Maryland. Thank you for joining me today. You can have a seat in that chair for me, and you're going to get one of these for helping me out. And here comes your canine co-star. He's one of my favorites. It's Alfred. Hi, handsome. You can say hi, Melina. He's nice. With Melina and Alfred's help, we're going to show you a difficult sit. With Melina and Alfred's help, we're going to show you a very difficult technique called the workaway. It gets its name because the dog has to work while facing away from the trainer, so it looks like Alfred will be taking all of his cues from our actress on set. So to set it up, I'm going to take one of his favorite treats, put it right there on the ground for him to focus on. I'll then move behind Alfred and only use verbal cues. This is the workout. Melina, that's for the dog. That's disgusting. Stay. Let's try this again. This is the workaway. Good boy, Alfred. Watch it. Hey, get on your mark. Stay. Watch it. Good boy. Sit. Good. Lay down. Head down. Head down. Head up. On your feet. Stay. Back up. Back up. Back up. No, on your feet. Back up. Hike it. Hike it.